The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2024 Toyota Tacoma Short Bed with the Retrax PRO XR tonneau cover. If you want to see a video of it with just the cover, we'll link to that in the description below. But here we've got the Rhino-Rack Reconn-Deck Bar RLT600 complete rack system. So this is using the RLT600 leg set, which has a quick release feature and locks already included, so a really great value. And this can be adjusted anywhere along the length of the rails of the bed cover. So adjust them narrow to support smaller gear, or spread them wide to support longer, wider gear. So the Reconn-Deck bar is a far more substantial bar with more material and a much more rigid design. There's also C-channels or T-tracks on both the top, bottom, and sides. So a multitude of different accessories can mount either to it, maybe underneath it. It gives you a lot more options. Some things you might have conflict with is more of your standard recreational gear, so some kayak, bike mounts, maybe even cargo boxes, although some cargo boxes can mount with a T-track, so that could potentially work with this as well. So also included in our kit are spacers to help clear the handle of the bed cover and the bar. It can still work without it, but whenever you go to pass through, it's going to hit that bar, so you have to fold the handle down in order for it to clear underneath. With this kit here, you get all the parts to where you see it here. It'll pass through without any issues. So this is a 59-inch bar. There's also a longer 65-inch bar. We'll link to the video of that in the description below. But if you'd like to purchase this complete system without missing any parts, visit the link in the description below. That'll take you to our website. A couple clicks, it's yours. That's it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.